Altcoins they're just other digital currencies that work on a blockchain just like Bitcoin. Some of them are almost exact clones of Bitcoin, while others are substantially different. Some examples, Litecoin was the original altcoin, you could say, and it's basically a clone of Bitcoin with some minor modifications. So the currency supply, instead of being 21 million total, it's 4 times that. So it's going to be 84 million. A lot of people kind of referred to Litecoin as silver, where Bitcoin is the gold. Another pretty popular altcoin, you could say, is Ethereum. Ethereum isn't really an altcoin. It's more of a completely different technology made for decentralized apps and smart contracts. There's Ripple. Ripple is another, it's called an altcoin. It's also quite different from both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Ripple is more of a technology. It's a blockchain-based technology, but it was created more for the banking system. So banks can basically adopt Ripple, and it's sort of I guess kind of a neutral third-party system that they can adopt. It's already been developed. They've signed on a bunch of banks already. So it's a lot of people don't like it because it's more of the same. It's more of a centralized kind of controlled by a company affiliated with banks. But so it's not as much of a cryptocurrency, so to speak, but it is another financial technology, and it's become pretty big as well. Another example would be Monero, as well as Dash, and those are again similar to Bitcoin, but the kind of use case for them is more for privacy and anonymity. Monero's been adopted by the dark markets now. They've sort of, maybe they still use Bitcoin. I don't even know. I don't shop there. But Monero's been kind of adopted by the dark markets now. And, even the FBI, I believe, made a comment recently about that they were concerned about Monero. So I think that probably tells us something about its actual anonymity. Monero, I think, was 50 cents last year, and now it's $40 roughly. So it's gone up substantially. And Dash is another one. It's, currently, I don't know, around $100. And, a couple years ago, it was just, a few cents.
One of the ones that I'm a big fan of is Steemit. It's a platform where the currency is created by the value of the platform itself. It's a blogging platform, so people put out their knowledge, their information through blogging onto the Steemit blockchain. Now, what they get back is their free market value of their content that they provided to the group of people that are using this service. The thing about any cryptocurrency is that they take the power away from the central control of anything. So they give you a lot of the utilization of what governments or big corporations might have had control over, and they give it back to you, and they really help you in gaining back your own individual power, and giving you the freedom to live in a society and contribute a lot easier. And it takes away the problems of slowing down big governments, strangling you when you are an entrepreneur and wanting to get stuff done. There's also asset-backed ones. There's a friend of mine, Anthem Blanchard. He has something called Anthem Coin, and that coin is backed by gold. So that's another one that actually have the old type of what I call wealth insurance, but it's merged with the new decentralized cryptocurrency type of system. I find those very interesting.